If you're new to AI and want to know where to start, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the best AI tools for beginners in 2026, based on simplicity, usefulness, and how fast they can actually help you get results. A lot of people think AI is only for coders or tech experts, but that's not true. The right tools can help you write faster, create content, organize your work, and even make money online without needing advanced skills. The first tool beginners should learn is a general AI chatbot. This is the tool you use when you need help writing, brainstorming, summarizing, or planning. It's useful because it can act like a personal assistant. You can ask it to help you write a script, outline a blog post, create a business idea list, or even generate social media captions. The second tool is an AI design tool. This one's important if you want to make thumbnails, social posts, simple graphics, or presentation slides. You do not need to be a designer to use it. You just choose a template, change the text, and adjust the colors to match your brand. The third tool is an AI video tool. This is perfect for faceless creators because it can help you turn text into video, add captions, and create short clips for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Reels. If you want to build a content channel without showing your face, this kind of tool saves you a huge amount of time. The fourth tool is an AI transcription or voice tool. This helps with turning audio into text or creating voiceovers for videos. If you don't want to record your own voice, this is one of the fastest ways to produce consistent content. The fifth tool is an AI productivity tool. This can help you organize tasks, build systems, and keep track of projects. A lot of beginners ignore this category, but it matters because once you start using several tools, staying organized becomes just as important as creating. If I were starting from zero, I'd begin with just 3 tools: one chatbot, one design tool, and one video tool. That combination gives you the most flexibility without overwhelming you. Use the chatbot to plan your ideas. Use the design tool to make your thumbnails and visuals. Use the video tool to turn those ideas into content. That's enough to build a real content workflow. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to learn every AI tool at once. You do not need every app. You just need a few tools that solve real problems. Start simple, get good at the basics, and then stack more tools once you know what kind of content or business you want to build. In the next video, I'll show you how to make money with AI without coding.